Alright guys, it's your boy S4 James back here again with another video. But today we're doing a oil change on a 2012 Audi S4 B8. So this is going to work from 2009 to 2012. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into it. Jesus, dude, this shit's black. How dark this oil is. Like, guys, don't let your oil get like this. I hit an oil change. This thing is dark. Jesus. All right, all the oil's drained. I'm gonna get to the oil filter. I gotta do this real quick because for some reason I didn't charge my GoPro today. So yeah. So let me get to that oil filter and show you guys how to do that. And then boom, we're done. Put the new liquid moly fuel oil in, and then that's your oil change. All right, guys, for the oil filter, if you have the stock factory one, it's going to be a 36 million. That's a 36 millimeter. I don't know why it's that damn big, but that's what the Audi chose to do. So 36 millimeter we are. So that's what we're going to do. That's dirty. Also, do not forget the O-ring that sits inside of here, because yeah, you get a new one. So that's that right there. So make sure you take that out, put the new one in. Put your new filter in, put your housing back on, blow your cover, and spin so it gets a little tight. And then, you know, give it a little unga-dunga with the ratchet and call it a day. All right, once you do that, you know, just fill up your car with your oil. We are using liquid moly Gen 5W40. Shout out to liquid moly. And yeah, you're done. And that's all, folks. That's how you do your oil change on these damn cars. Booyah.